Hello and welcome to this very quick video. This is just to announce the winner of the 90k giveaway. Now, thank you to everybody that got involved with this, has left a like, subscribed, and also left a comment too. Now, this was redone recently just because I was having trouble seeing everyone's subscription statuses, so I've just kind of assumed that everyone that's left a comment has subscribed. So let me put the details into the random comment picker and search for the winner, and the winner is Raven FPV. Raven FPV, congratulations, you have won the quadcopter. Please give me a private message here on YouTube with the shipping details. You'll need a battery and you'll need an S-Bus receiver, and I'll get this thing out to you so you can get some flight time on it and hopefully get some fun out of it too. Thank you to everyone that took part and joined in. Keep liking and subscribing, and hopefully we'll be at that 100,000 subscribers soon. I'll probably give away another prize at 95k, and I've got some nice things in the prize basket for when we hit the 100k to kind of celebrate that momentous moment. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.